services, but he was not willing to confirm it personally because he did not have a head count really. But he says at least 20 bodies have been brought out according to the fire brigade, and the toll could be higher. You can see the operation over here, a stretcher being brought to the bottom of this ladder, and then firemen up there putting the bodies down with a rope. I mean, it is really a gruesome task that is going on over here. Firemen on the second floor or the first floor of the building bringing out bodies of dead patients. One we just saw with a broken leg in a plaster cast who definitely could not escape. A tragedy that is unfolding, only beginning to unfold at the AMRI hospital, where a fire, still we can't see the fire, but the smoke inhalation may have killed at least 20 patients, according to Mr. Bobby Hakim, a minister in the government. With Biswajit Das, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.
Right, and there you can see visuals of Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. She has arrived there at the hospital site. In fact, disturbing images there of patients brought out of the hospital. Well, we'll just bring you those visuals again of Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister. She has arrived there, and of course a lot of question marks are going to be raised about the reaction, the fire department's reaction time to this tragedy, and just how such a massive tragedy has unfolded. Why did the fire tenders arrive at 5 a.m.? Why did the hospital store inflammable toxic material in the basement? Were there no checks in place? Were guidelines violated? These are some of the questions that are going to have to be answered in the days to come. Let's just listen into what's being said. Right, well, we can't seem to, we didn't manage to get the audio there of what the Chief Minister was saying, but that's what we can tell you. The Chief Minister there at the spot. Remember, many senior police officials have also been there, the police commissioner, also many ministers. The urban development minister was there at the spot. He was the one, in fact, who confirmed that 20 people have been killed, and that death toll, the local channels, I believe, are reporting the number over 40, and that just gives you the scale of the tragedy. And even now, the rescue operations are underway, evacuations are underway. It's a 7-story hospital, a 5-star hospital really in Kolkata, with many different facilities being offered there. But the reason for this fire is well, we don't know the reason exactly, but the fire did start from the basement, where we're told it was supposed to be used as a parking space, but instead was converted into a storage space, and that's from where the fire broke out, and that is the cause of the death toll being just so high because of the noxious fumes that emerged from that basement, and as you can see, enveloped the entire building. It's a 7-story building. It's the Annex 1 of the AMRI hospital, and many of the patients, were told, just suffocated, perhaps in their sleep. Many of them were in critical care, and many anxious relatives really waiting outside the hospital, waiting for some word about their relatives who were in the hospital. So a lot of answers are going to have to be given in the days to come by authorities, by the hospital management as well. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee there at the spot, speaking to relatives, anxious relatives. You can just imagine their anguish and just how anxious they must be to get some word about their patients, as body after body emerges, as patient after patient is evacuated. The people, they're just rushing.
দিদি বলছেন এসএসকেএম এ যেতে যাবো দিদি এখন এসএসকেএম এ
আপনারা জান আমাদের পুলিশের লোক আছে
এসএসকেএম এ যারা যাবে তোরা একটু দেখে নে একটু খুঁজে দেওয়ার ব্যবস্থা কর একটু সাফোকেশনে মারা গেছে বডি দেখলে চিনতে পারবে এদের নিয়ে যা গাড়িতে করে লোক পাঠানোর ব্যবস্থা করো কিছু গাড়ি বডির সঙ্গে যে পেশেন্ট বাড়ি যাবে বডি নিয়ে পেশেন্ট বাড়িকে হ্যাঁ কোনো অসুবিধা নেই আমাদের একজন করে করুন হ্যাঁ এলাও করবে হ্যাঁ একজন করে আউট করবে তো আমার ব্যবস্থা ওখানে পুলিশ থেকে করা হচ্ছে বলবেন কোনো মাথা না করে মাথা ঠান্ডা করে হ্যাঁ তুই নিয়ে যা ডিসি আছে ওখানে এদের যারা যাবে এদের একটা ব্যবস্থা করে দিলে তো যেতে পারে করে দিচ্ছি একটু দাঁড়ান আর যারা যাবেন পেশেন্ট পার্টি এর একসাথে আছে তোমরা একটু দাঁড়াও অজয় একটু সাইড স্কেমে চলে যান সমস্ত ব্যবস্থা আমরা করব একটা সাইড করুন একটা সাইড আমি এমুলেন্স চালিয়ে সাইড করুন সাইড করুন
देखिए शिवाजी तुम्हें फास्ट होते रहो
There, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at the spot. They're surrounded by the relatives, anxious relatives really, as they wait for some word about the patients who are in the hospital. Mamata Banerjee is speaking to the relatives who are waiting there as body after body is being taken out of the hospital. Monideepa now joins us on the phone line for more. Monideepa, the Chief Minister arriving there as the rescue work is underway.
Gargi, I cannot hear you. I am in a very noisy spot in the hospital, but the sights I have seen today are absolutely horrifying. Lines and lines of bodies lying in the hospital's other building. You know, what they have done is they have removed the bodies from the building where the fire took place, and then they have brought them to the building, the adjoining hospital building, and there are bodies, lines of bodies all over. And the worst thing is that there are no doctors, no nurses, grieving relatives, angry relatives, just sitting there and wondering what to do next. There is just complete chaos here at the Amri Hospital. I have spoken to a family who has lost a 36-year-old lady with 2 children. She has 2 children. She had broken an ankle. She was in the orthopedic ward in the 2nd floor of the annex building. She called up her family at 4 o'clock in the morning and said there was fire and smoke and she was unable to breathe. The family assured her that they would be rescuing her, and they rushed to the spot. They rushed to the hospital, but they were unable to get in, and by then it was too late. The lady, Munmun Chakraborty, I think, 36 years old, lying dead in the ICU of the Amri Hospital's adjoining building. The family completely devastated. Another lady, her mother apparently died. I've just seen at least 6 bodies in one ward, and there are at least 10 others and more in another ward. 25 bodies, I'm being told. I was unable to enter over there. My camera person did. He says at least 20 bodies lying in another ward of the hospital. And, the opposition minister, Suryakanto Mishra, he has come visiting. And I asked him, what did he have to say in a